Hello, Jess. Hello, Jess. What's going on, Jess? What's going on? Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of dun, 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 Jessie's Cooking Corner. Yay! Woohoo! Jessie's Cooking Corner, guys. What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys are having a great day. We got Mr. Romeo over there making noise. Ethan boy playing game as always, and I think Eliza's in the restroom. Erica is, I don't know where Erica is. I think she's with her friend. But tonight, it's Jessie's Cooking Corner, and we're gonna go and barbecue some stuff out on the lanai, guys. So Jess is prepping whatever I'm gonna barbecue outside, right over here. Okay. So we got what we got over here, Jess? We got some yellow bell pepper here, some mushroom wrapped with bacon, one of my favorite dishes there, right there. Simple. And then Jess is just doing more, right? All right. So what do we have over here? Jess, we got some. What you got in the pot, Jess? Some a hamburger meat or something?
Yeah.
Let's see. Ooh, hamburger meat in there, guys. And string beans. So a basic dish right here. Hamburger meat with string beans on deck.
Hello.
Hi. And I think that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, we got this right here too, guys. Asparagus. Right? I don't know about this, Jess. Are you cooking this too?
I'm gonna steam it now.
Cauliflower?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, Jess is gonna steam the cauliflower, guys. Sorry about that. Looking over there. But you know what? I just finished working out. I'm feeling good. And I'm ready for a drink, right, Jess? All right. So, what drink is on the menu tonight, Jess?
I don't know. You're gonna see.
Oh yeah. Jess's energy is really low right now. Why is your energy low, Jess?
Oh.
All right. Did you get the lemonade?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's see.
But you cannot tell anything.
What? Can't tell anything. So we got the lemonade right over there. So we're gonna mix with the lemonade. We're gonna mix it with not hello. Gonna mix it with this bad boy, guys. Check it out. Woo! Some Jim Beam Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey, guys. Yeah, and that will go. Oh. No, we just took it apart yesterday. Nice shirt. By the way, nice shirt. Nope. Alright, guys. Yeah, it's gonna pop out then. Okay, hi Romeo, what's going on? No. No, we just put that away last night. Oh, Jess, what's going on? Just cooking corner and you're sneaking sneaking things over here. Alright, guys. Sorry about that. Jess is not cooperative tonight. Okay, so string beans are going in. Oh man, lighting is bad. We still didn't figure out the lighting here. Sorry about that, guys. All right, so string beans going in. Got hamburger already cooked, right, Jess, in there?
Yeah.
And what did you put with the hamburger? Salt, pepper,
Onion,
garlic,
tomato.
And tomato, guys. Woo! Man, there it goes. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Jess and I have the day off tomorrow, so we are super excited. We have the day off tomorrow, and we're probably gonna hit the beach tomorrow, guys, because the kiddos get off of school early. Wednesdays they get out early, and we're probably gonna head over to one of our favorite beaches. Okay, there's a Romeo's going off, but yeah, we're gonna probably enjoy a sunset and maybe on the North Shore. I'm not sure. We'll see if I believe the road is open, right? Yes? Is the road open?
Oh, I don't know. I've never been right there yet.
Yeah, I think it's open. I think they opened it already. Well, we'll go check it out for you guys. Maybe we'll see. We'll see what the plans are tomorrow. But you know what? I'm gonna make a drink for Jess and I, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Right. All right, guys. So I mixed our drink right over here. I don't want to say what time. Oh, I already said what type of drink this is. Hopefully YouTube will be kind to me. So I don't know, change of plans, guys. Right, Jess? What are you gonna do?
I just put this one and then steam it.
Oh wow. Woo! This is a good combination, guys. This is a good combination. If you guys haven't tried whiskey, bourbon whiskey, Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey with a lemonade, you guys have to try it, guys.
Are you sure about that?
I'm sure about that. And you always have to have pork grinds right over here, guys. Yep. Pork grinds, and if you don't have pork grinds, some pokey. Yeah, some pokey, but pokey is kind of expensive. We're trying to cut down on that a little bit. So, oh yeah, man. You guys hear that? What? Okay, let's go back to Jessie's cooking corner. Look at my drink. Uncle Roman's gonna go out. Hey, eat over here.
You can probably get anywhere in the world from here.
Don't make a mess.
There's the portal.
All right. Okay, back to Jessie's cooking corner here, guys. Sorry about that. Wow, Jess. Looking good. It's looking good. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys are enjoying Jessie's cooking corner here. She has numerous dishes she's doing tonight. Look at that. There goes a pepper, man. Ooh. You gonna pop that in the oven, honey? Is that it? Wow. Man, all right. That sounds good. Is it just gonna melt, huh, or something? We usually grill it, guys. You sure you don't want to grill it, Jess?
No.
No?
Just only the one.
Okay. We got this to grill. This is my job tonight. So look at that, guys. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Bacon. Can't go wrong with bacon, guys. Okay, hold on.
In the dark, in the middle of nowhere. Maybe we should bed down for the night. It's dangerous to be.
Alright, guys, so it looks like Jess is covering it with foil. What's the deal, Jess? Alright, look at that, guys. Woo!
What is this? Did Jessie never eat it, this?
We ate most of it, honey. We ate most of it. Oh, a lot of pots and pans all around. You put it on top, honey. Yeah. There he goes. We need a bigger kitchen, guys. That's alright. That's alright. Oh, honey, we gotta clean our oven. Look at that. Ooh, so shame, baby. So shame.
It's hard to figure out the one. I don't have a self-clean.
Oh, yeah? Alright, Jess is going off. Good job, Jess. Where'd you learn how to bake? Alright, Jess is checking up on the string beans. Ooh, that is looking good, Jess. Look at that, guys. Ooh.
Wait!
Be careful, Jess.
You smashed my stuff.
Be careful.
Why are you jumping?
Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh my god, this is like really, really good, guys. Look at that. Ooh, man, I'm hungry already. Uh-oh. What is Jess gonna do now? Some shoyu. There we go. This is pouring some shoyu in there, guys. Alright, so shoyu. Look at that. Is that kikoman?
Yeah.
Yeah, some kikoman shoyu, guys. Alright. Man, that is looking really good. Alright, guys. I'm going to continue drinking.
Hello?
Don't eat too much of that, son, or else you won't be able to eat dinner.
And one for Ruth.
Oh, Jess, right here. Toast. Toast.
Hold on.
We got a toast over here, baby. Okay, we're going to toast, guys. There you go. Toast. Longevity and prosperity. Wow, this is really good, guys.